think about that, guys. Like, this channel used to be literally all about customers crashing car rentals and doing wild things. And now I start this chicken restaurant and everything's going great. And then boom, car drives through the damn restaurant. How does this stuff follow me? You literally can't make it up. But it's pretty exciting to build new chicken restaurants. And to be honest with you, that car driving through the restaurant is, although very shitty, good for publicity, because our store the following day did 3 times the revenue because it put us on the news, and that was really awesome. I'm here in the car wash right now. I'm getting the Koenigsegg ready for rally number 3, which is gonna be epic. We're gonna go to Mammoth, we're going on a cruise, we're going everywhere, and I'm gonna see the final product of the Scuba Veyron in LA. So I've been telling you guys, it's been at the dealer for 6 months now, and it's finally ready. We had a really wild issue with the AC, and the AC controller in my car was malfunctioning, and they replaced it. To replace it, you gotta take the whole damn car apart. I mean, literally split it in half almost. But the controller was malfunctioning, and going back and forth with the timing and the engineers and Bugatti and everybody else, they had to finally figure it out. It took 6 months. So we have full-blown AC in the car. We did have one bad line, and these are new parts that I bought from Bugatti, so you know, they were sitting on a shelf probably for like 10 years. So I don't know, maybe they weren't like new, but it's pretty new. So Mario, what do you got?
I'm just excited for this rally. I know you're gloriously excited.
I'm excited to have a vacation. I've opened 5 chicken restaurants in literally like 8 months. Like 8 months, 5 restaurants, and I've got 3 more before the end of the year. It's not easy to open this much restaurants like in this short amount of time, and I'm kind of doing 93% of the work. We got to get lunch real quick, and then we're going to go to one of my locations that is a building that we're going to build. I don't own the building, we leased it, but I'm going to meet with the landlord and talk to him about the new design, because I do not want to build any more drive-thrus. This was originally going to be a drive-thru, so I'm looking at building out all my stores with alcohol now. At the end of the day, it's a more profitable scenario, and it elevates us above what would normally be a fast food type restaurant.
In the car for a few weeks now, what would you say is your favorite feature?
Well, the aesthetics are my favorite. The things that I do not like are these glass panels above my head. It's too hot in Vegas. It's too much like sun in my eyes. Plus I wear glasses, and so there's a lot of glare. Second thing, the gearbox is absolutely horrendous in this car. There's a lot of latency, there's a lot of jerkiness back and forth when you're driving slow. This is the updated software as well, so I can only imagine what it used to be. It's not slow, but the brakes are absolutely ridiculous. Literally ridiculous. Like, they're the worst brakes for any car, supercar, hypercar, or anything that I've ever experienced. The mirrors shake a lot. They're very cool looking, but like you can't see out of them. They just go like this all day with the wind, which is very like difficult to see out of sometimes.
You do get a good visual on them though.
Yeah, I mean they're big, right? Which is great. These here, wonderful. You know, they're very curved and they're really nice. They actually provide, in the Koenigsegg they're this big, so we got the 3 inches extra on those ones. Stereo in this car is terrible, which is really weird because it's got very high-end equipment, very nice sound. There's a optional subwoofer, I think, for some of them. I've seen them come with the subwoofers, so I think that plays a big part in it, you know, having the upgraded sound system. But for a few $1,000,000 bucks, I mean, I really want a nice radio, you know.
Everyone's gonna say you're not supposed to listen to music in this car though.
Well, all you hear is turbos. So without me making the downpipes, all you hear was all day. So I don't know if that was the importance of this particular car. It feels like a regular car to me. Like it has like the drivability factor of a regular car. Like when you get in the Koenigsegg, like The air conditioning doesn't really work. I mean, it's very visceral. You can't really drive it slow. It's excessively loud inside the cabin. You know, I'm gonna make a video of what I hate about my Koenigsegg, and this video right now is gonna be what I hate about my Pagani. All right, and then we can compare them, and we'll see. And then we'll make one what I hate about my Veyron. That one will have 0 items on the list.
So while Houston's having this meeting, a little quick sneak peek at the location. So for those of you who don't know, there's a Dutch Bros right across the street, which I don't know if you guys have a Dutch Bros in your area. It is growing to be a very, very, very large coffee company. Every single time there's a line, it's at least 10-15 minutes long, and that right there brings a lot of great traffic. And then you have this right here. It's going to be a corner lot standalone building. As you can see, the space is pretty huge. There is a street right there that they can potentially build a drive-through. The reason they're meeting right now is because, as you heard earlier, Houston does not want to do a drive-through, so they're seeing basically what they could do with that extra space, which will probably be an outdoor patio. As you guys can see, the visibility from the street is absolutely incredible. By the way, if you guys don't know Vegas, this is Blue Diamond Road. Someone's getting pulled over right there. This is Blue Diamond Road. It's one of the busiest streets in Las Vegas. Don't quote me on this, you can look it up. I guarantee you there's probably 100,000+ cars that pass this street every single day on the way to work, on the way home, as well as eating, shopping, and things like that. So prime location. I think this would be one of the top 3 locations in Vegas out of the 8 or 9 stores that they're doing.
Another wild day at Houston's Hot Chicken Green Valley. A little bit of an incident. Somebody got a little too excited for our hot chicken sandwiches, ended up coming over the curb, and ended up driving into the building here. Let's take a look. So we're gonna jump in here, talk to the police officers, find out what happened here. But as you can see, we kind of went right into the kitchen here, right into our fryer area.
All right, so there was bombs, there was explosions, it was going crazy. I held it down. I had my M4, everything's solid. We got it together. Hey, you're here with us at Houston's Hot Chicken on Green Valley. Quite a day we're having. Lady came driving through the parking lot a little too fast. She hit the gas thinking it was the brake, came straight through our window. The sound was the loudest bang you've ever heard. Everybody's okay, luckily, thankfully, she's okay, but we're dealing with getting everything fixed and taken care of, so we'll be back with you in a few days. As you can see, the car is out. That's all the damage done. Houston, this is the problem. We're gonna get it fixed up. We'll be back open and running in probably 1 or 2 days. For the meantime, come see us at Ann Road 95 location for all your needs. And we'll be open here shortly soon.
Oh my gosh. We just had a very dismissive argument. Tony thinks that lightning and thunder are 2 different things.
Are you? No, no, that's what you two said.
I don't recall.
You said? Yeah, that's what I thought. Dude, thunder is the sound of lightning hitting stuff. Oh my god. Duh.
Come on, Tony, you've been living under a rock.
You guys are living under a rock, Tony?
I can't believe you guys. Yeah,
Explain it to us then, scientist.
Yeah, please explain it to us. Houston, how do you calculate how far away a storm is?
When the lightning strikes, you just count, and then how many miles it away is.
You just count. When do you stop counting?
Whenever you see the lightning.
No. How about when you hear the sound? Because sound travels at X amount of miles per hour.
That's not true, Tony.
Oh, okay. So we all know who was right.
College education for you guys. See, I'm driving a Bentley, but Tony's schooling me on fucking facts.